Hello friends, I am SP Verma from the Hawk and we are in the India Energy Week at Goa, and in this section we will talk to Mr. Ajay Singh Khatri, who is a drone trainer from the company Wow Go Green LLP. So let us discuss that what is the new things in this drone which is fueled with hydrogen. So मिस्टर अजय सिंह जी, लेटेस्ट नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप? जरा ये बताइएगा कि इंडिया एनर्जी वीक में आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
सर आके तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि बहुत नई टेक्नोलॉजी, बहुत न्यू एनर्जीज के बारे में पता चला है, तो उसका हम भी एक हिस्सा है तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा, थोड़े आगे पास चलिए। अब ये बताइएगा कि ये जो आपने ड्रोन बनाया आपकी कंपनी ने वाओ गो ग्रीन एलएलपी कहाँ पर है ये आपकी कंपनी?
फरीदाबाद बेस्ड है सर।
अच्छा, और ये क्या क्या करती है आपकी कंपनी?
सर जो हमारी कंपनी है वाओ गो ग्रीन एलएलपी, ये बेसिकली जो मेजरली कवर करती है वो एग्रीकल्चर ड्रोन्स जो 25 किलो, 28 किलो, 30 किलो और 50 किलो तक जाते हैं, है ना। और अभी हमने नया सेक्शन भी शुरू किया मिलिट्रीज को भी प्रोवाइड करने का जी। तो हमारे पास एक रिक्वेस्ट आई थ्रू इंडियन ऑयल की हम कुछ हाइड्रोजन पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें एक ड्रोन का डिजाइन चाहिए, तो हमने उसी के लिए उनको ये एक ड्रोन डिजाइन करके दिया।
तो ये ड्रोन हाइड्रोजन से फ्यूल्ड है?
जी सर, यहाँ पे इसका हाइड्रोजन का पूरा सिलेंडर लगा हुआ है जो अभी ये 3 kg का है जी, और ये इसका फ्यूल सेल है सर जो इस पूरे ड्रोन को पावर प्रोवाइड कर रहा है। तो हमने इसकी ट्रायल एंड टेस्टिंग पूरा अच्छे से करा हुआ है। इसका एंड्योरेंस बढ़ाता है क्योंकि क्या है, बैटरीज जो आजकल है वो बाहर से आ रही है सारी, तो बैटरी ऑपरेटेड ना करके इसका एंड्योरेंस बढ़ाने के लिए।
तो ये आपने कहा कि इसमें 3 kg हाइड्रोजन है, तो कितना कितने घंटे उड़ सकता है?
अभी जो हमने इसका टेस्ट एंड ट्रायल करा सर, वो जो हम इसका बता रहे हैं अभी आधे से 45 मिनट ये जा सकता है ना। अभी हम इसमें 3 किलो का टैंक है, हम इस पे 5 किलो का भी ट्राई करेंगे क्योंकि सब जो अगर हम वेट बढ़ाते हैं तो एंड्योरेंस गिरता है, तो इसलिए अभी हमने छोटा सिलेंडर लगा रखा है।
कितनी हाइट तक जा सकता है ये?
सर इसको जो अभी तक हमने टेस्ट किया 10 मीटर तक जा सकता है।
10 मीटर तक जा सकता है और करीबन 45 मिनट तक फ्लाई कर सकता है
जी सर।
उसके बाद में फिर इसमें दोबारा से रिफ्यूलिंग करना पड़ेगा। तो रिफ्यूलिंग के लिए क्या है, सेम सिलेंडर यूज होता है कि सिलेंडर चेंज करना है?
सिलेंडर हम रिप्लेस भी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि रिफिलिंग में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, हमें सिलेंडर रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है।
वो आसान है?
वो आसान है।
ओके, एक ड्रोन की कॉस्ट लगभग कितनी आती है?
कॉस्टिंग अभी इसकी सर इंडियन ऑयल डिसाइड करेगा क्या होगा।
अच्छा,
हमारे पास
जो आपने डेमो बनाया, मतलब जो मॉडल बनाया,
प्रोवाइडेड द प्रोटोटाइप
की कितनी कॉस्ट आ गई?
कॉस्टिंग का सर मुझे
अच्छा आइडिया नहीं है आपको, कोई बात नहीं। चलिए, तो इंडियन ऑयल के साथ मिलकर आपका ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छा जाए और हम
सक्सेसफुल भी आया तो उसकी एक खुशी है।
हाँ बिल्कुल, वाओ गो ग्रीन एलएलपी के लिए हमारी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं और हमारे सभी दर्शकों की तरफ से भी कि आप लोग अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। पूरे देश को ग्रीन एनर्जी के रूप में आगे बढ़ाने में जो आप लोगों का सहयोग रहा है उसके लिए हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और बधाई। लेट अस होप कि इंडियन ऑयल के साथ मिलकर आपका ये प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेसफुल रहेगा और हम लोग ऐसे ड्रोन डेवलप करने के लिए मास स्केल पे बना पाएंगे जिसमें हाइड्रोजन इस्तेमाल होगी, ग्रीन एनर्जी। थैंक यू वेरी मच मिस्टर अजय सिंह। फ्रेंड्स, आई एम SP Verma फ्रॉम द हॉक एंड वी आर टेकिंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टॉक विद यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर or to be an entrepreneur, Drishti Doshi, who is from Gujarat, residing in Mumbai, and a master's in engineering from IIT Mumbai. So let us talk to her. Hello Drishti, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, SP?
Fine, thank you. Please let us know something about yourself.
Sure. So I'm Drishti Doshi from IIT Bombay, and I'm currently doing my dual degree in Energy Science and Engineering. Great to be at the IEW event right now with SP Verma sir.
Okay, why you are visiting this place, India Energy Week?
This is a great hub to find out what is going on in the industry and what are the future trends that is going to happen in the energy domain in India and overall in the globe.
Please let me know that why you have selected the energy sector as your study in master's degree.
So right now we know that everything works on energy, from our human bodies to any machine. Everything requires energy in one form or the other. But right now the depleting amount of oil and gas is very problematic for the globe overall, and that's why we are moving towards a more more renewable side as well, doing a lot of technical research as well as a lot of mergers with big brands.
So you think that
that's why.
there is a bright future in the field of energy, those who
I
are
think
going...
definitely, of course, आगे जाके it's going to be very prospective area in energy science.
What do you want to be actually in energy sector?
I would love to be a energy service provider. I would love to open my own company where I can provide energy services. And
Energy solutions for the sustainable development?
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's very nice. Congratulations. And we wish you a good luck for your future, for your future endeavors. And I'm sure that you will be the lucky enough to have the roaring success in your life.
Thank
Good
you.
luck. God bless you.
Thank you.
Friends, we are in the pavilion of India Energy Week, CI Applied Computing. We have the Vice President, Mr. Hari Ramani from Applied Computing. Mr. Ramani, thank you very much for giving me this time. I am from Hawk, the media persons, and please let me know that what your company is doing, Applied Computing.
Hi, thank you so much for connecting with me. It's a pleasure. Applied Computing is developing advanced physics-based AI solutions for the energy industry across the entire spectrum of upstream, downstream, as well as gas and renewables.
Okay, how your company is working with industry that mainly with the energy sector?
Yes. We largely develop AI solutions that are physics informed, that can be deployed directly into the energy industry for the purposes of optimizing your production, increasing your product quality, reducing safety related issues, and reducing integrity related problems. So we develop something called the foundation model for the entire industry.
So that's very nice. You are having some other company also?
We have actually here, as along with our partners, it's called the Applied AI Energy Initiative.
Oh, that's very nice. The minister was also stating that the AI will have the very good chances, opportunities in the field of energy sector also. So how do you contributing? How your company is contributing in the field of energy using the AI?
Energy really needs all the help it can get to make sure that they are able to maximize their production from their existing capacity without needing newer investments. From that perspective, Applied Computing is delivering solutions that can increase the production from your existing assets.
Where company is based?
We are UK headquartered with a significant presence in India for both our commercial and development
In
teams.
India, you have the zonal headquarter or the regional headquarter here?
We are based out of Bangalore.
Bengaluru. That's very nice. Thank you very much for sparing time and letting us know that your company is doing a wonderful job. All the best. Have a nice stay in Goa.
Thank you so much.
Good luck. Hello friends, I am SP Verma from the Hawk and we have Mr. Navalkar BL, Chief General Manager R&D from BPCL, and let us know that how the BPCL has new initiatives and what is their new initiatives. So sir, please let us know that what are the new initiatives of the BPCL in the field of energy, green energy.
Yes, the BPCL as an organization looking for net zero 2040. In that context, the BPCL has taken initiatives to mitigate emissions of Scope 1 and Scope 2. For this purpose, it is looking into renewable energy, biofuels, and also in carbon capture utilization and green hydrogen. These are the areas where we are working very aggressively to control emissions.
So you are working basically for the sustainable development of our country, India. BPCL is working for the sustainable development.
Yes.
By fueling green energy in the industry of there.
And also we are looking into energy optimization so that we can improve energy efficiency.
So what is this your net zero program, zero net program?
Net zero program, as I told you that we are looking into reduction of emissions in Scope 1 and Scope 2. So for that we are looking for biofuel, adoption of biofuel, then adoption of renewable energy, adoption of green hydrogen, and also parallel we are looking into carbon capture utilization.
Means zero carbon emission.
Yes, yes.
Or means you are developing such technologies at BPCL which will produce lesser or zero carbon.
We are looking for net zero carbon fuels.
Oh, that's very nice. Congratulations, sir, and all the best for this
Thank you
event.
so much. Thank you so much.
India Energy Week is a what do you think that what is this platform
It's a great platform to connect to people, tell people what we are doing and how we are achieving the net zero program of the
So
country.
you understand that what are other countries are doing in this field?
Yes, yes. They are
Because they are
doing
also
the catching
showcasing
up
their
with them.
services or the products.
Yes.
That's good. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Good day.